All right, so as you can see here, I'm George's. This is my Food Network audition. I spelled audition wrong, but we're good. So people in Food Network, you might have heard me before. I was Santa's elf before we all got outsourced and I got fired. Then, you know, for a while, I was a geography teacher before I got fired. And, you know, being fired a lot doesn't give you a lot of money. So as you can see with my creative technique of holding produce, these are all shoplifted. These eggs, I shoplifted them. This oil, I convinced the store owner it was some weird water. This water, I stole it from a water fountain in an Aldi's. This brownie mix, I actually bought this. I found $5 on the street. Yeah, you know, my dreams are to be the next Gordon Ramsay. You know, this reminds me of the good old days when I worked with Santa, you know, before I got fired and out. You know, no one wants to see elves anymore. It's all about the Easter Bunny. That's what he told us. Well, I thought I was making a cake, but it turns out I'm making brownies. So, you know, you just gotta get creative with it, you know what I mean? We're good. You know, some shell went in there, but it's all right. Just think about more protein, more nutrients. Oh, this is a hard-boiled egg. All right. A snack for later, all right? You know, we only need one egg. You think about it, like, come on, people out there don't even have eggs. We just gotta be useful with what we have. Just gotta put the water in. And this will turn out good, trust me. Food Network people listening. You just gotta mix it a bunch. You know, you wanna notice. I mean, look at this. It's a good, healthy snack. You know, obesity is a big problem out there. Just think about every time you gotta make brownies or cake, just eat a hard-boiled egg. Underrated, I recommend it. You know, it says mix 50 times and I already lost count. We don't need a count. Just gotta mix it till it looks decent. You know, while it's mixing, you know, you have a free hand if you just get hungry. You know, you can eat an egg if you get hungry while doing this. You can't eat the brownie about it. This is a bad hard-boiled egg. I just realized that. But, you know, eggs are eggs. They're healthy. They're the original protein ball. You know, you go to a store now, you see like, you know, they have those little protein balls for like $5. Just buy some eggs. You know, just gotta mix this a few times. You know, gotta do a little bada boom, bada bang, bada beam. All right, we're done. Now look at this. People at Food Network just looking at this, look, it's amazing. It's beautiful, 10 out of 10. Doesn't this look delectable, delicious, other adjective? Right now, just gotta bring this back. That's the ingredients. All right, spread into the pan. Now, there's two ways of doing this. You can do it like this. That'll take too long. Just gotta pour it in like this. We lost an egg, but that's all right. I mean, look at this, that delicious brown batter or some powder. No, but trust me on this, right? I had experience back when I used to work with Santa as an elf. I made food for him all the time. He got some food poisoning though, but that wasn't my fault. I don't blame myself. All right, just gotta, you know, temper it out a bit. And you gotta make sure it's a good thing. So people hate when you do this, but you just gotta get a little thing. Just gotta mix around. You know, the only way to make sure you're doing a good thing is to taste test. Oh man, that's perfect, man. Delectable. Just gotta add a little oil water on top, just gotta drizzle it. This hard-boiled egg, good. You deserve this after making a brownie mix, you know, you need a little snack. You keep your energy up, just gotta rip it apart. There's an eggshell in it. So, all right, so I was supposed to preheat this, but that's not gonna happen. So I'm gonna do the second best thing. Put it in the oven for 350 degrees, 21 minutes. See ya till this puppy's out. All right, so I just got the thing out of the oven. You know, I put some foil on top. So I want to be surprised and shocked when I open this. Before I do, we need to get everything ready. I got the vanilla chocolate, you know, frosting right here. Meant to get vanilla, but don't know why I got chocolate, but it's good enough, you know. Chocolate brownie, chocolate frosting, it makes it all right. You know, we're good in the hood. So just gotta shake this up 4 times. I've been shaking this for the past 10 minutes, waiting, but I guess I'll shake it 4 more. That was more than 4, but whatever. Let's just open this thing. Man, delectable. I'm gonna do, you know, I'm just gonna decorate it a bit, you know, add some cool designs. You know, people at Food Network watching this, you know, it's around Halloween when I'm recording, October 9th, I think. I'm just gonna decorate something nice here, you know. It's gonna, you know, I'm just gonna add, you know, some good things. and I drew a skeleton. You know, my expert art skills are really showing. Gave him some brown hair. You know, we're not done yet. You know, it's Halloween, it's spooky month. You know, it has to be spooky. So I'm gonna draw a sun. You know, and since it's Halloween, the sun can't be bright yellow. It gotta be dark chocolate. You know, you gotta spread the white in with the dark. No. Boom, splendid. Not done here. I'm gonna make a fox too. Cause yeah, you know, foxes take a while to make, but I'm gonna make a good one. You know, I'm just gonna put him on top of here, give him some legs. Yeah, just gotta give him a little head, some eyes, do a mouth. Perfecto. Now look at me here. Name one person cake style like this. All right, so, you know, I just draw this dude. You know, he's a skeleton. I'm gonna call him Josiah or something. You know, we got Josiah the skeleton, put a sun on top in the corner. We drew a fox. Now that looks like a sick fox, like an actual sick fox. Like, I'm gonna call Vet or something, cause he's on fire, my dudes. Yeah, you might be wondering how I got all these ingredients. Well, the store got onto my shoplifting routine. Apparently, you know, I walk in looking like this, I walk out looking like this. You know, it's a bit suspicious. You know, I bring a trench coat middle of summer. So I did what, you know, any rational person would do. I dumpster dove. Back of the Giant Eagle. You know, I got this from an Aldi's. We're good. You know, they chased me home, but it's all good, you know. I took a few detours. We're not done yet. The skeleton gotta have a friend. So the skeleton's, you know, gonna have a friend. You know, Josiah's gonna have a buddy. I'm gonna call him George. You know, George is an amazing name right here. Like, if you know George, you know he's a good guy, he's amazing. You know, 10 out of 10. Just got, you know, put the base down, put some frosting. You know, well, I did that as some more definition, made them more 3D. They look amazing, right? Like Josiah and George, baller. We're not done yet, you know? No, two's company, but three's a party. So we're gonna have a third person. Add a little frame, you know, above the sun, add some more definition. Oh, it's getting everyone on the table. All right, gotta mix the frosting a bit. I just realized that, you know. It's all mixed and loose and stuff. Just gotta get a whole glob of it. Dump it right there. You gotta get another glob, just dump it up here. Oh, okay, you know what? Gotta mix it out a bit. You know, the more I realize, the more like, it's Halloween, it needs more darker colors. It can't just be skeletons everywhere, so, you know, just a little something for myself. We're not done yet. So imagine whipped cream and frosting. So not that this dish needs saving, I mean, look at it. Get a nice view, garnish. Now, you know, the more I do this, the more I realize that like, cooking's a passion, man. It's a talent. It can't be earned, it has to be born with. You gotta be born. You just gotta be with it, man, you know what I mean? Put some more down. Yeah, I got your spatulas. Boom, 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 boom. This is where I played it. You know, just gotta put a little, right, I drew the decorations, but I have even a better idea. Still got a lot of whipped cream. So I just mix this around a bit, you know, gotta have a little melody going on. Done with Halloween or in winter, you know, it looks like snow's on the ground, covered up the dirt. Everybody likes snow. Just gotta add a little swirls in it, you know, bada boom, bada bang. And then, you know what, since we're in winter, why not add a snowman? There we go. Now, while we're at it, give us some arms, give us some legs. Oh wait, snowman don't got legs, we'll just ignore that real quick. And another winter thing. Well, I used to be an elf, so I'm just gonna put myself on there. Bada boom, bada bang. Cover the knife up, we're good. Gotta mix it down, gotta add some more of this frosting. All right, and we're done. You know, I got these people off of Craigslist, off the street. I got this dude right here. Found dumpster diving for some Supreme. Apparently putting a hard-boiled egg in here won't work. So, you know, it doesn't help the brownie, but it's got plated up. Bada boom, bada bang.
Can I try it?
Yeah, go for it. You like it?
Delicious.
Yeah, delicious. It is. There we go. Unearned talent. You more frosting? All right, give me the spatula, all right? You know what? I don't even need that. I don't even need that. Lift it up. Yeah. You want to eat up the spatula?
Yeah. Eat mine?
Yeah. Eat it up.
Fantastic. Put that all right. Put it in your mouth.
And I have to have some too, so just gotta.
Let me get a spatula, Dad. It's delicious. Let's call it spatula.
It's really
really good.
Very good. Use all the whipped cream.
Oh, sorry about this. Oh,
Yeah,
I'm going for seconds, man.
It's really good.
oh man, no.
Delicious. Oh.
It's really good.
All right, this is my audition. Hopefully you guys accept it. See you next time.